The first one we've got here is the Haines Hunter 570 Sports Fish. It's around a 2000 model. Standard sort of transom setup in this one with the Yamaha. Lovely built-in steering here, nice and neat. The other one we've got here as well, it's a Haines Hunter, it's probably a mid-80s one, and it's a 580 Sports Fish here. Different setup. We've got the pod that's come out the back. We've had to raise this motor up a little bit. And again, the same motor, the 150 Yamaha XC. So two very similar boats, performing both really, really well. Both running 17-inch props, getting around their 6100 revs and around 75k an hour. So excellent setup. We put CL5 gauges in both these and a concealed side mount. We've got two customers who are going to be pretty happy in the next couple of days. Thanks guys, bye. There we are, just zooming in on the hydraulic setup. Very, very neat and tidy. Definitely the way to go going forward. We're having the exposed ram. We get this in the 150, 175 and 200s now. Give us a call, we'll get you a quote. Thanks guys, bye. Let me get in the boat. No.